Right, so it's 9:21. I know what you're thinking. You think it's dinner time. So, what's tonight's recipe? Well, let's crack on with what's available. So, what have we got in the fridge here? We've got a myriad of apples. Oh! And some meat. We also have a plethora of pasta-y type, porridgey, pasta, rice type things. I think it's going to be a rice base again. Okay, so we got some rice. Obviously that needs some water. Easily done. 1 rice to 2 waters, I believe. You can chuck a bit of pasta in, just for texture, and straight onto the hob. Splendid. We're going to need a lid. And I know what you're thinking, where's the flavour? So I've got a plan. Remember the meaty stick? Meaty stick, bit of flavour. Ah! Kidding. And in goes the meaty goodness. Some magical smells in there. Whoops. Absolutely gorgeous. What we can do with all that yumminess, obviously. Bit of flavour. That goes in there. Super splendid. We got half a dodgy apple. That'll do. Splendid. Now I know what you're thinking. That would be foolish to chuck it in with the rice. Quite right. So we'll put that in a bit later. And of course you're thinking, apples, great, fruit, but where's the veg? Do not fear. We can put the peas straight in with the meaty rice. In it goes. Splendid. We got carbs, we've got fruit, we've got veg. This is a nutritious meal indeed. Alrighty. Of course now you're thinking, this is a bit carb veg heavy, where's the protein? Do not fear, we have eggs. We have the meaty pan that we didn't bother washing up from earlier. Bit more oil, probably need a fork. Job's a good one. I'd say that's cooked. That can go straight in with our rice. Oh yeah. Chuck the apple in from earlier. You're seeing where we're going. And of course, what's missing from this? I hear you cry, what is missing? Is it not entirely obvious what is missing? Bit of flavour. What we need is some garlic. In it goes. Oh yes, job's a good one. Right, are we missing anything? That's the question. We've got the apples, we've got the peas, we've got the pasta, we've got the rice. Quick tester. You know what it's missing? It's obvious. It's missing the mayo. Oh, that's